Indicator 4.1 goes over the clear and measurable goals are established and focused on critical needs regarding improving in achievement. So what we have uploaded there, the first thing that I uploaded was our ACAP goals. This is where we were big on students having goals, students setting those goals and being familiar with those goals all year. So in the upload that you'll see, you'll have a individual student report from our ACAP testing. On that, you'll see what their current or their spring score was. And then we have determined through just looking at data and analyzing some things and then documents from the state that there's really a 40 points is like your target in terms of reaching your growth goal that the state sets. And so that's where the other score is 40 points more than their score that they got on that particular date on the independent student report or individual student report. So that's what they strive for. Like, they know their number, they know what they're trying to get. And then from that, on the bottom of that is information pertaining to each subgroup of the test. And then the teachers, we sat down in a data meeting, and then we use that information to guide instruction and remediation for the ACAP goals, which are state standards as well. I have uploaded a first and second grade letter to parents because this was our first year to report out on the proficiency scales. We had to make sure that parents understood what was happening. You will see in these letters now at the beginning of the year, I have an assembly with parents where I went over all of this with them. But you know, things get hectic, so I wanted everything to just be in writing again. And it's really just sent home every time that there's a reporting period going out. One of the things you'll see on these letters as well is we really wanted the parents to know what it was that we were working on. So a letter will be sent home. At the beginning, it was explaining the 1, 2, 3, 4 levels, because those are new. You know, we're all used to traditional grading. So we explained those levels. We do use a bicycle graphic to kind of go over also kind of the progression through from a 1 to 4 and what that means in terms of the state standards and how that child is meeting those standards, what amount of assistance they are needing. Parents got that as well. One of the things that I wanted to make sure was that when teachers start a scale, so at the beginning of the year, of course, everybody starts on scale 1. Some grades had scale 1, 2, and 3 that needed to be reported out on the first 9 weeks. But whatever it was that they, are their target for covering. But when they were working on a scale, they had sent it home to parents so that parents were aware of exactly